So I know it's a super big question. What business do I start? It's a lot of confusion around, should you do what you love? Should you do what's going to make money? So today we're going to be talking about how to avoid being confused when you're trying to figure out what business to start. So we're going to be talking about it coming up next. Hey, what's up guys, it's Diana here with EntreWoman TV, helping transition your passion into the business that you love. And on this channel, I do small business development tips like we'll be talking about today, as well as video marketing tips to help you share a message that really matters. And if that's something up your alley, definitely consider subscribing. So today I wanted to tackle the big question that most people typically have. It's part of a conversation when I'm talking to a potential client, just communicating with someone via email, or if I meet somebody in person. And I'm multi-passionate. What business should I start? Or, you have the thing or an idea that I could make money from this one idea over here, but over here, I have something that I love to do, may not make as much money. The grind may be a little bit harder. So which one should I do? Or maybe I love them all equally. So let's tackle that question. So essentially all business is the same. You have to answer three primary questions. The first question that you want to answer is, what exactly is it that you want to do? What is the exact specific thing? The second part is, who am I going to serve? No business exists without a customer. And then the third thing is knowing exactly what solution you're going to be providing. What problem are you solving for? All business is solving a problem for most people. So for most people, the what really isn't the issue necessarily. They kind of know what the what is. It's the everything else in the how and the who that becomes a challenge for them. So when it comes to thinking about the what, it's not just about starting a restaurant. A company like McDonald's, whether you like them or not, started a fast food chain business, really just kind of kicked off that whole idea of fast food. And it's solving the problem of not just giving you more food, you can go to the grocery store for that, but solving the problem that you don't have a lot of time. You need to feed your family and you got other commitments and things like that. Here's where we fill in the gap for that, being able to provide fast food for you literally while you're just going along your day so we can keep you going. That's the thing that you really want to be able to solve. Who are you helping with what specific issue? How are you going to serve them? Nobody cares that you're in love with makeup unless you're starting a specific business to solve a specific problem. If you look in search engines like Google, even if you search here on YouTube, you're able to find a lot of different questions that will pop up in the search bar. And it may be skincare for young people, skincare for Indian women, skincare for women of color, skincare products that don't dry out your skin. And all of these tackle a specific problem associated for a specific person. And it can seem very simple in, just its idea, but essentially that is the core component of any business. What problem are you trying to solve for somebody? The what is never the problem. A lot of times we gravitate to different companies and services and things like that are speaking our language. Recently, got a clothes stylist that is, shipping me different clothes and all kinds of stuff. And I love it because it solves the problem of time and the frustration of trying on clothes. And maybe it's something that you love, but it's not the right size, or maybe they don't cater to your specific shape that your body is. And it's all kinds of weird quirks that only if you're maybe from this size range to this size range or whatever, have this type of body shape, that you experience these different challenges that otherwise other people are oblivious to. So those are the kind of things that you want to think about when you want to start a business. It's not really so much so, should you get an LLC, an S Corp, and C Corp, and all those things are very important. But at the same time, it's really being able to answer those three primary questions. So just to cover that again as we wrap up, the first thing is, what exactly is it that you're going to do? Which most people can typically about guess. The second thing is, who are you going to serve? And number three is, how are you going to serve them? What problem are you going to be solving for them? So hopefully this video helps you out. If you love content like this, make sure you hit that like button, as well as hit the subscribe button. If you want to see another video where I talk about whether or not you should do business with friends or family, make sure you click or tap the screen right there. And to subscribe, make sure you click on my face right there. But as always, guys, live with passion. I'll see you guys on the next video.